In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Bybit account, and once you've created that account, get it verified. So I'm going to show you and walk you through this whole process because I myself are going to create an account with you live on video. So let's jump into it. So here we are on Bybit. Now, once you are on Bybit, you can sign up and you can unlock some rewards and welcome bonuses. So click on the link in the description below and it will take you to Bybit, and then you can sign up by following this video. So we're going to go ahead and enter in our email or mobile number. I recommend you just sign up with email. It then might ask you for a referral code. This is optional, but if you click on this downwards arrow, you can enter in my referral code as a thank you for showing you how to do this. And I'll leave my code here. So enter in my referral code here, then click sign up to win. And then you need to go ahead and verify your account. So it's going to send you a 6-digit code. Just go to your email, find that code and enter it in here. Now we can go ahead and create our password. It needs to be between 8 and 30 characters, uppercase, lowercase, and a number. So I'm just going to do this real quick now. Okay, so now we're essentially in Bybit, but don't get too happy yet. We need to verify the account first, which is fairly easy and fairly simple, but you can't really do anything with an unverified account. So go ahead and claim your rewards if any appear, and we can go ahead and then get up to 20 USDT by verifying level 1, and then you can get more rewards as you deposit and trade. So we're going to either click on verify now here, or you'll get a message at the top asking you to verify. So just click verify now. Now it's going to ask you for your residence or country that you're signing up in. So I'm going to change my location here to the UAE. Okay, so now we need proof of identity, and they then need to essentially prove that it is you who's given this ID card. So click on verify, and it's going to then recommend you a document type. I'm going to again change the location to United Arab Emirates. Again, make sure and triple check that this is correct, because if you sign up with the wrong residence and you don't have the ID to prove it, you're not going to get verified and your account is not going to be working essentially. So I'm going to choose ID card, then we'll click on continue. And it's going to then ask me to submit my document. This is going to be my ID card, which was issued in Dubai. So I'm going to click continue. It's then going to open up a QR code, which we can then scan through phone. So we need to open the camera app, and then what we can do is we can scan this QR and click open in Chrome. So we can click continue here, and it's going to take us through the next steps. Again, we need to choose the country, and I'm going to click on the national identity card. We can then click enable camera, allow, and it's then going to open up the camera. And from here, what we can do is we can get our ID in shot, and we can take a photo. It's going to want the front and the back. And now we've done that, we now need to record a video to verify that it's me. I wouldn't click anything on your computer, by the way. Just make sure that it updates by itself. It does say on the phone that it might take a couple of minutes to update. Now I have actually just received an email from Bybit, so I guess this isn't updating. And the email essentially says that it's been verified already. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back, and you can now see that the standard ID verification has been approved. We've got proof of identity and identity assessment. So now this is essentially verified. It's not verified to the maximum it can be, because we can upload proof of address. That's going to be bank statement, utility bill, and so on. But just the standard verification is going to allow us to deposit and withdraw crypto up to, I think it's like 20K. So this is good to go for now. This account is now useful and we can actually use it. But in future, I will go to the advanced section and verify this as well. I hope that helped you out. Make sure you do verify with the link in the description. And thank you for watching.